1, 2, testing 1, 2, 1, 2. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another fantastic day on planet Earth. Today I'm going to... I can't remember where it is, to be honest. I'm just going there, and then I might come back. I'm not decided yet. I could just go there and never come back. Oh yeah, there's a place called Sandon Hall. I thought I'd go to another hall because there's a lot of halls in Stafford. I've been to Weston Hall, I've been to Shugborough Hall, and now I'm going to Sandon Hall. And there's probably another hall somewhere, and there's a lot of them. Ooh. Oh, well, no, it doesn't look like I'm going fast round bends, but I am. It's bloody cold today. It's only 11 degrees C, 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. I want that house. I want that house. I've got to get that house. I'll buy it next week. It's only a tenner. What's these bloody three-wheel bikes? I don't get it. I don't understand. Why have they got three-wheel bikes like that? As I mentioned in a previous video, I'm not going to put this through the MSVA because it's going to be a bit of a waste of time. So I spent yesterday taking most of the electronics off that I don't need. Meters and meters and meters of wiring that's just unnecessary, all the light wiring that I don't need and everything else. So I'm being a bit careful today because I just don't know if anything's right. When I actually switched it on, for some strange unknown reason, the brake lights are on, and that makes sense, doesn't it? Because the brakes are actually inverted, because they're not the right brake switches, which I've disconnected. Don't need them. I'm gonna pop down here and find this chippy. Somebody said there's a chippy down here. Does the best chips ever, although it is only 8 o'clock in the morning. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, I don't know where it is. There's a co-op. I ain't going to the co-op. Anyway, the headlight still works, the tail light still works, and everything else still works. Obviously the indicators ain't even there anymore. Don't need them. Got rid of shitloads of weight. I actually got rid of 1.3 kilo in weight. Of unnecessary things for this version. Obviously when I do version 4 it'll be necessary because it's going to be, I am going to use a road bike. I'm going to use a pre-registered bike, and I may actually use one that's over 40 years old, so it won't need an MOT. Now, is it just me, or are people pissed off with sitting there watching a video and then suddenly they say, this video is sponsored by blah 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 blah, usually a VPN website that I really don't give a shit about. I know everything about IT, never used a VPN, don't need one unless you live in China or somewhere where the internet's blocked and the VPN is really good. I do get annoyed because you watch a channel because you like the content, and then they start getting all professional, and then they start having bloody sponsors, and it really pisses me off, and I just click the unsubscribe button in the end. There is one that I used to, he's getting very popular. It does my ginger-headed kid. Now he's got bloody sponsors. Well, I'm sorry, mate. I ain't sponsored. I'm not subscribing to you just to watch a advert. It really, really annoys the shit out of me when people do that. I make these videos and I do this shit because I enjoy doing it, and there's no way will I ever have this video is sponsored by. Well, that bollocks is it? It's sponsored by my pocket. It always has and it always will be, and I will not do adverts like that. I may tell people where I've got things from because that's the only right thing to do if people want to buy something. But there's no way will I get people giving me money to bloody advertise their product. This channel will remain free forever. I swear to God that nobody will ever sponsor me for anything, and I'm getting a load of regen down here. 300 watts, 320, this is dangerous watching this. Now I've got to turn down here. Ah, shit. Brakes! You don't get any sense of speed or any sense of anything. I think it's down here. Well, I hope it's down here. I presume it's down here. It might be down here. Probably isn't now I've gone down here. I make these videos because I enjoy making them. There's no other reason. I educate people and I bring people a bit of the English countryside and a bit of this, that and the other. Oh, this road's a bit bumpy. And people enjoy it. That's what making videos is all about. If you go... I'm right on a ranting rage today. Sorry. If somebody says to you, oh, you need to get a VPN, well, you go and have a look at VPNs, or if they say you need a VPN and I recommend this, well, okay, you need one. But to me, these people are actually advertised that VPN bloody company. They're just bloody scaremongering all the time. There's just no point doing it whatsoever. It just makes me annoyed. And hopefully it makes everybody else annoyed as well. Probably doesn't, it's just me. I'm trying to get to Sandon. And I don't even know where it is. I'm sure it was down here. Unless they've moved it again. That's the other thing, people keep moving towns. I swear that places were where that I went and they're not there anymore. I think this is a rich place for rich people, and I'm not rich. Oh, there's a cat with 3 legs. Actually, this is a very nice place. This is called a Salt. Just Salt. Not salt anything, just Salt. Where all the rich people live. Oh my God, what a house. Oh my God. That's worth more than £1. Okay, Google. Take me to ST18 0BZ.
Alright, ST18 0BZ. Let's go.
Oh, yeah. Maps. Maybe. Oh, what's all this shit?
Head east on Salt Road towards Trentfield Lane.
Yeah, winter's definitely coming, or autumn's coming, because things like leaves are falling off the trees. So they're not treeing anymore, they're leaving. Where is it? Oh no, it's down. It's got to be down here somewhere. Is it? Oh, I've gone completely the wrong way. I've gone past it. I must have done. Where am I? Where the hell am I? About another 3 miles. Oh, f***. Oh, that hurts. I've still got a bad back, you know. Oh, it's not my back as such. It's my bloody leg. I've got nerve damage, my sciatic nerve damage. It's bloody painful. What the bloody hell? So I've got to go out of here. I've got to go left there. I don't know where. Sandon's that way. I would have thought Sandon Hall would have been in bloody Sandon. As you may have gathered, I'm pretty shit with directions, and I'm just pretty shit. My glasses are steaming up. I can't see. Where am I going? I don't know how to get there. I've gone completely the wrong way. I'm lost. I'm never going to get home. I'm going to become a tramp. Oh, you're off. Okay, Google. Take me to ST18 0BZ.
Okay, ST18 0BZ. Head northeast on Sandon Road, B5066 towards Salt Banks.
How am I about bloody... What, 3... How does that work?
You're back online. You should reach your destination by 9:36.
Yeah, I bloody better do as well, missus. You stupid cow. Who's there? You're telling me I came up, that was the road I came up. I went completely the wrong way. But Google told me to do a turn left. And I should have turned bloody right. I found the fastest route. Recenter. So I've got to go to the end of here, turn right. And then there. People who live in Stafford are going to be looking at me and going, you dickhead, you should have gone. Oh, there it is. Oi. This is Sandon Hall. Oh, God. I wonder if sheep talk to you. Alright. Oh, he's just pissed himself. What's that for then? What are they sticking their asses in the air for? Don't piss, don't. No, that's rude. Oh, he's just shit. I've scared him. I know I'm a bit scary, you know. I look like a bloody hitman, but there's no need to bloody shit yourself, man. Oh, grouse. Oh, squirrel. Oh, look at the wildlife around here. It's fantastic. Yes, this is my driveway. It's very long. I'm very, very rich. I can afford a driveway this long. And this is my house. It's coming up straight in front of you. A man sold it to me for tuppence, just like he did the other hall. Didn't even feel like cattle grid then. Look at this place. Oh, look at that. That is fantastic. Is anyone home?
You have arrived.
Google says I've arrived. I must be here. Oh, look at that. Oh, I've got to get a thumbnail of that in there. You know, these things have just got to be done. There. This is Sandon Hall. I think it was built, was it something like 1854 it was completed? Owned by Mr. Sandon or Mr. McDonald. Imagine turning up here in your Lambo or something. So yes, this is my house. What it must be like, eh? I get arrested in a minute for being here. That is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. The only trouble is, it's a bit of a shitter because, I mean, if you got a Lambo, you'd never get it through them gates there. I don't think they've ever been opened in bloody decades, have they? No, they ain't been open for a long, long time. Pence. 50 pence, that's what it means. It's for sale, 50 pence. First person. I'll put a bid in. Oh, just look at the grounds, just look at everything. Apparently, I think, I read there was 50 acres of land that comes with it. I mean, for 50p, that's 1 penny per acre of land. Can you imagine owning something like this? And the parties you'd have. Yeah, I'd just like to say that I'm a bit worried because I've done a long way. I've done about 30 mile at the minute. And I'm getting a bit worried because I've still got about another 10 mile to go. This is going to be a bit of a challenge because I haven't been taking it easy whatsoever. Right, I've got... What are we on? 74.4 volts, and I've got a really bloody steep hill to go up down here, or to go down up here, or to go up or round here. At the end of here I've got a steep hill. Oh, this is going to be dodgy getting back up this hill, because I can't just go at 5 miles an hour. I'm sorry, but I can't do it. I'm going to have to bloody give it some. It doesn't matter if I get home and it's a bit low, I suppose. How fast do we get up Western Bank? Western Hall, can't look, too busy. Bloody hell, this thing pulls like a train. Bloody hell, it don't even slow down. Oh my god, that's insane. It just doesn't even slow down when you're going uphill. It's just power. I've been doing tests on Litocala LII 70A, I think they are, to see if they're an alternative to lipos or lithium ion. They're basically LiFePO4 or LiFePO4 batteries, and they're shit. Oh, they got massive voltage sag, but what happens is at 2 what's the voltage? 3.7 I think it is, fully charged. What happens is they sag down to about 2.5 volts, but they bloody sit there until the battery's completely empty, and then they just completely drop off very, very quickly. So they are good as long as you don't need the voltage, which is what I do need. So I can't unfortunately use them. Losers! Brakes! Brakes! Oh, shit in hell. Sorry about that, folks. Oh, that was a bit dodgy. I don't believe this battery. I really can't believe how powerful it's got. It improves with age like a fine wine. Oh, river. Oh, shit. Oh, BMS has just started moaning at me. Yeah, we've got a cell drop. That's the first time I've just had a cell go under voltage. So I better not open it up, had I? Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed the bit of a long detour to Sandon Hall, and I've educated another person. I'm going to end this one, go back and analyse all the data to see exactly what I was drawing. It is limited to 150 amps again, because anything more is just bloody stupid. So I'm going to say goodbye, and I'll catch you next time. And remember that life is definitely worth living on this measly earth. All you've got to do is get out there, enjoy it, and bollocks to what anybody else thinks.